After Groundhog Day, we still have another 6 weeks of winter to go here in Pennsylvania. So thanks a lot, Puxatawny Phil. We're going to cook up some nice chunky potato soup. It has some nice cheese in it and some potatoes, of course, and also some chunks of ham. So let me show you my recipe, and it only takes about an hour to make, and I think you're going to like it. Check it out. Alright, here's the main ingredients. These are about 3 or 4 medium to large sized potatoes. We're going to peel them and cut them up into cubes. We're using about 2 cups of water to boil the potatoes. Then we're going to use 1 nice onion. I have a Vidalia here, but use your favorite cooking onions if you'd rather. Also, I'm using about 3 tablespoons of butter and also 3 tablespoons of flour to make a little thickening roux to put into this potato soup. I have some black pepper and some red pepper to spice it up a little bit. And then we're going to use about 3 cups of milk. Just going to mix the milk in, and also a little bit of sugar. Just going to use about a half a teaspoon of sugar, and also we'll have about a cup of cheddar cheese and about a cup of ham that I have left over from another meal. We're just going to chunk that up so we can add it at the end. Let's get this all together. First I'm going to peel the potatoes and start boiling them as cubes in my cast iron pan. Alright, I have my nice Le Creuset cast iron pan, and this is about 3.5 quarts. I'm going to add my water, and we'll start heating up the water as I peel the potatoes. I have cubed up a couple potatoes that adds up to a little over 2 cups. Add that to the boiling water, and we're just going to cook these until they're tender. Okay, so we have the reserved potatoes. And we're going to keep the flavorful water that we cooked them in. For now, we're going to use the frying pan again. And what I like about the cast iron pan is we're going to use the heat of the pan to start the cooking again because it's already warmed up. So let's throw in 3 tablespoons of butter, and we'll let that start to melt and get the onion ready to add. The butter melts, it's pretty much melting just from the hot pan itself. That's what I like about the cast iron pan. And we're going to add into that some nice chopped onions. Now we just want to saute these. We just want them to get soft. We don't want them to be browned because that adds a whole different flavor. We just want to cook the onions in the soup. Butter, nice onions. In the meantime, we're going to get ready an equal amount of flour to add to this butter. So 3 tablespoons is the measurement. Now here's my black pepper. It's a pretty nice amount of black pepper because I like the peppery taste in potato soup. And then we have a little salt. Not too much salt. Then I like to use red pepper flakes. Give it a nice peppery taste. And of course that's a different kind of flavor of pepper. Alright, next, let's just spread them around. Take use of the nice hot pan. I'm going to add back in the nice broth that we made from the potatoes. And we're going to stir that in until it makes a nice smooth broth. Look how quickly that happens. And with the cast iron pan, you know, it's not even adding any heat. Alright, when you can see how nice and creamy that is, we're just going to add about a half a teaspoon of sugar. Okay, now with that, we're going to add 3 cups of milk. Here we have 2 cups of milk. And I'm going to add a 1/3 cup of milk, so we'll have a total of 3 cups of milk. 3 cups. Now I'm going to turn the heat back on, and we're going to get this all warmed up. And this will have a nice smooth texture to the soup broth. In the meantime, we're going to measure out a cup of ham chunks and a cup of cheese. I have a leftover piece of ham from another meal, and I'm going to cut 1-inch cubes that add up to about a cup of meat. And we'll get ready to pour that into the soup. Alright, now we have the soup mixing and heating up nicely. I'm going to add about 2 cups, anywhere from 1 to 2 cups of ham chunks. The measurement should be 1 cup, but we had a couple extra nice pieces there. And we're going to stir in the ham. Okay. Then we're going to stir in the potatoes. They're so tender. They're just, we don't want to break them up too much. And now we have a nice, thick, flavored ham and potato soup. Isn't it nice? We really don't need to cook it any longer. So we're going to let the cast iron pan do its job. Going to turn the heat off on the stove. The only other thing I want to add now that the heat is settling down is the cheese. You can use cheddar, you can use whatever you like. I personally love this seriously sharp cheese, and it's a cheddar. And this is a 2-cup package here. I'm going to add about a cup. So the reason I wait until the heat goes down is so we don't get it to burn on the bottom of the pan. So there we go, about a cup of cheese. Save the rest for another day. And slowly mix it in. Now your creaminess just got cranked up a notch. Look at that. I'm going to scoop out a nice serving of this cheddar cheese soup loaded with ham. Look at the creaminess. It's a delicious recipe. It's peppery, it's a little spicy, but it's smoky because of the nice smoky ham, and it's got that comfort food taste because of the potatoes. Try that recipe. I hope you like it.